Hey, are you overwhelmed with trying to figure out how to make money online? Maybe you opted in to so many different gurus lists and they all are teaching you all these different things about this 30-day plan to make $100 with Amazon FBA, Facebook ads, SEO, you name it, and you feel a bit overwhelmed and you've tried so many things and nothing has worked. So I'm Tiger Rush, and today I'm going to show you how what's inside of this box that I received from ClickFunnels today will solve that problem and set you free from the rat race. But first, I want to jump, before I open this up and show you what's inside, I want to jump in my computer and show you what ClickFunnels is and what this one funnel away challenge is all about and how it can help you on your journey to make money online. Okay, so first I wanted to show you what ClickFunnels is, and then I want to introduce you to the one funnel away challenge and how it is going to change your financial life, how it's going to clear up all the confusion and set you and give you a clear plan on what to do in order to start making real money online. And if you stick around to the end, I'm going to do something really cool. I'm going to give you something that's really amazing, but you have to stick around until the end in order to know what it is. Alright, so I'm going to play a quick video for you that explains just really quickly what ClickFunnels is.
ClickFunnels came out of nowhere. They took the marketplace by storm, just like Apple did when they first launched the iPhone.
ClickFunnels allows you to sell a product online quicker and faster than anything you've ever seen in your life.
It's just a simple way of making pages that convert. I mean, they're like business-oriented templates that already start beautiful that you can very easily customize.
I can be one guy sitting in a basement somewhere with a dream and a picture in my head, and in like no time at all I've got this finished product. And it's not just a mock-up, dude, it's a finished product.
It's just drag and drop instead of coding.
I think that most people, when they hear technology, they get scared. You don't have to be scared anymore.
It's taking the sales process from in-person and just transferring the exact thing online.
Rather than taking a shotgun and blasting an entire market, you take this targeted approach and find the people who really are coming towards you already and help them along.
You can lead them through the steps of, okay, here's who we are, here's what we do, would you like to get some more information? Yes, okay, great.
So I had someone ask me that the other day. They said, what business can you use it with? And I said, everything.
We help gyms scale.
Okay, so I'm not going to play that too much longer. So now you kind of got an idea that ClickFunnels is this software that builds this thing called sales funnels, which allow businesses and people online to sell more things, to sell it more efficiently. Now, I'm going to introduce you now to the one funnel away challenge that the company ClickFunnels holds.
The way this challenge is going to work, each day there's going to be new videos unlocked. Each one's going to be a mission. After that mission's finished, there's going to be some kind of task for you to do, and I need you to do it. I'm going to lay down the groundwork. Julie Stoyan will show you how to build your funnel, and then Steven Larson's going to hold your feet to the fire and make sure you get each task done on time. Today's mission, we're going to start getting into your offer sequencing. We're going to be talking about offer hacking. It's the power of e-covers, publishing, story, squeeze page, sales page, order form, OTO page, how to fill your funnel, build out your dream 100 traffic, paid side of ads. This is like the #1 rule of direct response marketing. A confused mind always says no. The average attention span of a human being today, guess how long it is? 7 seconds. So because of that, your website is literally blocking people from giving you money. Hook, story, offer, going, grabbing someone and getting their attention. You increase the offer, you make it better, people give you money, people give you the email address, people click on your ads. That's the magic.
Okay, so this is a challenge put on by ClickFunnels that gives you I'm going to scroll down just a little bit. So this gives you 30 days of video missions from Russell Brunson, who's the creator of ClickFunnels. And you're also going to get 30 days of coaching from Steve Larson and Julie Stoyan, who are also 7-figure earners, and they're gonna give you live coaching for 30 days, teaching you everything there is to know about marketing, making money online, and breaking things down in a step-by-step process. And what you're also going to get is a customized one funnel away challenge kit. And these are your bonuses that I'm actually about to reveal to you now, that I received in the mail, so that you can see them for yourself, what you're going to be getting. Okay, so the time has come. I am about to open up the box. Let's see, show you what's inside. Let's see if I can actually get this tape off. Okay, so here we are. What is this? How would you like to earn $100 every time someone joins the One Funnel Away Challenge with you? Okay, ClickFunnels is giving away $100 for each person you help sign up for the One Funnel Away Challenge. So, let's see, what's the first thing we have in here? Okay, so here we have a MP3 player. So, this MP3 player, it has a USB drive, and it has here a place where you can put your earphones so that you can use this while you are at the gym working out, riding to work, whatever it is that you may be doing. And what's on here are digital copies of interviews with 30 7-figure earners with affiliate marketing, where Russell Brunson asked them, if you were to lose everything that you own, you don't have your big name, you don't have your money, you don't have a following, you don't have your resources, and you had to start over from scratch, and you had 30 days to make it all back and feed your family, pay your bills, pay the water bill, pay the light bill, pay all these things, what would you do starting from day 1, day 2, break it down step by step? And on here are all the interviews of each of those 7-figure earners, breaking down their detailed 30-day plan. And not only that, they go in and they show their businesses, the insides of their business, their actual business that they're running right now, making millions of dollars from. And they actually share their funnels, their websites with you. So that's coming in the box. What else do we have in here? Okay, so it looks like a present, almost like it's Christmas time. So let's get this opened up. Here we are. This is the book version. So this, if you suddenly lose everything, this book is you can only actually find it here in the One Funnel Away Challenge kit. And what this is the written version of all of the detailed plans from those millionaire earners, where they broke down their plans day by day, day 28, day 29, day 30, and put all their thoughts, they put all their advice and everything in here. This book is invaluable. This alone is worth getting. This alone would change your entire life. And it comes with this picture of Russell Brunson on a $100 bill, reminding you that right away when you refer this to a friend, or as many friends as you do, or however many people that you do, you get paid $100 for every person that signs up for the One Funnel Away Challenge. So, and I'm going to come back to that in a little bit. Next, we have 2 Comma Club coaching. So in here, this breaks down the other products that ClickFunnels has. It talks about Funnel Hacking Live, And what the 2 Comma Club is whenever you have a sales funnel that earns more than $1 million or up to $1 million or more, you get a cool plaque that has your name, your business name on it, that shows that you verified 2 Comma Club award winner. And he has different coaching programs that you can join, that he coaches you all the way through from different levels, value levels, all the way up. And here we have the One Funnel Away workbook. So each day when you receive your missions from Russell Brunson in your daily coaching, you will have this to fill out, these exercises that's really going to help you set up a plan and get direction and really start to move forward in your business. So I said I was going to come back to this, and I wanted to do something really cool for you at the end. So I also do the affiliate program promoting the ClickFunnels products, and I make income from this. So I'm not just speaking from theory, I'm speaking from this is actually changing and has changed my life and puts money in my back pocket. And I want to show you how you can do it as well. And whenever you buy the One Funnel Away challenge through my link, which will be either here in a button, depending on where you're watching this. If you're watching on YouTube, it'll be down in the descriptions, my link to the One Funnel Away challenge. If it's on Facebook, you might see a button that says learn more. And if you purchase through my link, I have a special bonus for you in addition to all these things that Russell is going to give you. So I'm going to jump back in my computer and show you what I'm going to give you in addition, just to make sure that you have way more than enough to be set up for success. Okay, so when you buy through my affiliate link to get access to the One Funnel Away challenge, I am going to give you, in addition to all of Russell's bonuses, all of the things you saw in that package, in addition to all of his coaching, his live coaching, and everything, I'm going to give you your first course called Your First $1,000 with Affiliate Marketing. Value $997. Now, this isn't just some kind of fluff value. This is a course from my personal mentor that has made millions of dollars doing affiliate marketing, and he made this super in-depth course that takes you from beginner level all the way up to making your first $1,000 online. And most of the students that he coaches does this within the first 30 days. And that's real. That's the difference between being stuck and following all these different plans and these different gurus and getting all these different offers and wasting money doing things that don't work. I'm going to give you this. It's going to be free just from joining this amazing program, One Funnel Away challenge. You're going to get access to this. I am able to leverage this with his permission, of course, to set you up for success. The same way that he had set me up for success to start making money and get unstuck from where I was at with information overload. And so the next thing that you're going to get is a done for you high converting sales funnel. So you don't need to try to figure out how to build a funnel yourself, or even though the One Funnel Away challenge is going to walk you through all of that and so much marketing detail. It's like a master's degree in marketing in 30 days without the tuition. It's literally only $100. You can't beat it. It's hands down the best training out there for that, especially for $100. Like, it is just unbelievable. So you're going to get this high converting sales funnel that you will already be able to use to promote and go ahead and start earning money right away. As soon as you click and sign up for the One Funnel Away Challenge, you message me, email me, and then I'll verify your purchase and I'll get these bonuses right over to you. Here, and that was a $1,997 value, and that's legit. Whenever I started using this, it just made things so much easier than to try and do the trial and error method. This is already proven. This has already been battle tested. People, we are making money with this right now. So we're handing you something that's already proven, that's already making money, and we're just putting it right in your lap at no additional cost. And then you're going to get the full leverage of this bonus package. All the things I'm showing you now, you'll be able to give out to your potential signups to entice them to sign up to the One Funnel Away Challenge as well. Now that's ridiculous. That in and of itself is just priceless. You're going to get $1 million swipe file that has been developed by my mentor to send out to follow up with your leads so that they convert at a higher rate into buyers, from people that are just interested to people that are pulling out their credit card and actually purchasing through your affiliate links. And you're also going to get access to this amazing Facebook mastermind group, and I'll be in there. My mentor is in there, and it's just such a close-knit community. We all help each other. We're all giving value, and we really push each other along. We really believe in no man left behind. That has a total combined value $11,208, and you're getting it just for the $100 that you would pay to get into the One Funnel Away Challenge. So again, that was your first 1,000 with affiliate marketing, $997 value. A done for you high converting sales funnel, $1,997 value. Leveraging my bonus package, $2,997 value. $1 million swipe file, $997. Access to secret Facebook mastermind group, $997 value, for a total combined value of $11,208, and yours today for $100 when you purchase the OFA, the One Funnel Away Challenge, through my link. Now I'm going to just give you a little quick peek inside of the course, just so you know that this isn't like fluff or just some whimsical course. This thing goes way into depth. If you have trouble trying to pick your niche, this thing goes into depth and how to choose it. Examples showing you how to actually make money in the different niches, how to get started, creating, I'm not going to, spoil it for you. You're going to see when you get here that this is an amazing course, and this will change your life. This will just act as gasoline on the fire from what the One Funnel Away Challenge is already going to be doing for you. You're going to be completely set up for success. Your end of the 2019 and going into 2020, you will not believe the way your life is going to change. So I encourage you to act now. Click on the link, go ahead, sign up for the One Funnel Away Challenge, and message me at the email address that you'll find in the link, and let me know that, hey, I got the One Funnel Away Challenge. I need the bonuses, and I'll send them right over to you. So I'll see you there. I'll see you in the group. Good luck, and take care.